Today, I'm going to teach you how to draw lines and arrows on a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is incredibly useful when you need to highlight specific sections of a document, add directional indicators, or create visual annotations for presentations and reviews. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in with your credentials. Make sure you're using the Pro DC version, as this feature requires the professional edition. Once you're logged in, you'll be at the main interface where you can access all your PDF files. Next, navigate to Recent Files and select the PDF document you want to work with. This will open your file in the main editing window, ready for annotation. If your file isn't in Recent Files, you can always browse to locate it on your computer. Now in the left panel, click the Draw Freehand button. This will reveal several drawing options available to you. From these options, select Line. This activates the line drawing tool, allowing you to create straight lines anywhere on your PDF. Before you start drawing, let's customize the appearance of your line. In the left panel, you can change the line color by clicking the color picker. Once the color palette appears, choose your preferred color. This is particularly helpful if you're working with documents that already have specific color schemes or if you need different colors for different types of annotations. You can also adjust the thickness of the line to make it more or less prominent. Click the Change Line Thickness button and you'll see a slider appear. Simply drag the slider from left to right to adjust the thickness until it looks just right for your needs. Thicker lines are great for emphasis, while thinner ones work well for subtle annotations. Now you can draw a line on your PDF. Simply click where you want the line to start, drag to where you want it to end, and release. The line will appear exactly as you've customized it. If you want to draw an arrow instead, click the Draw Freehand button again. This time, select Arrow from the available options. Arrows are particularly useful for pointing out specific elements or showing direction and flow within your document. Just like with the line, you can customize the arrow color in the left panel by clicking the color picker and choosing your preferred color. Maintaining consistency in your annotations helps create a professional-looking document. You can also adjust the thickness of the arrow using the same method as before. Click the Change Line Thickness button and use the slider to drag from left to right until you achieve the desired thickness. This ensures your arrows are visible but not overwhelming. Once you're satisfied with all your lines and arrows, head to the upper right corner and click the Save button. This will preserve all your annotations and ensure they're embedded in the PDF file. And that's it. You've successfully added lines and arrows to your PDF document using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.